Well, it's Easter weekend. If you've not been living under a rock for the last couple months, you know that the coronavirus is spreading throughout America. And basically everyone has a stay-at-home quarantine, whatever you want to call it. So we haven't been working for the last couple weeks. Obviously, church was canceled for the last few weeks and probably for the predicted few more weeks. I don't usually get up to our cabin this time of year at all because, well, it's hard for me to get up to the cabin, period, just because I'm serving at church every Sunday and stuff like that. So I'll go up for Friday, Saturdays and stuff like that. But right now I don't have church. Pretty caught up at home with some home projects. So yesterday we decided, me and my wife, that we're going to take a ride up to the cabin. And she's hanging out back at camp, but I'm going to go scout some public land that I hunted around this area last year. It was really good. There's a big swampy area across the road across the highway from where I hunted last year, and it's always piqued my interest. So finally getting around to doing this. Hopefully I don't get sunken in a swamp. Hopefully I can get around because I don't have my hip boots. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go see what's going on down there. And where I hunted last year was great sign. So I'm thinking that there's a good chance they hang out down in the swamp. I hunted here in the snow last year a little bit, and so many tracks were leading into this swamp. So, and I don't think many people hunt it. I could be wrong, but I don't think many people hunt it because in the timber where I was hunting, there wasn't many people hunting that from what I could tell. So I can't imagine these locals are going into these swamps and stuff like that. So anyway, it's beautiful out. It's an awesome day. I think it's 30 degrees now, but I think it's gonna be a high of 45 or something like that. Sun shining. It was really windy the last 2 days, but right now we got some awesome weather. So looking forward to it. You can tell because this GoPro's on wide angle, but this is the swamp that I want to explore. Up here in this real steep woods over here is where I had some good action hunting last year, so that was a lot of fun. It's steeper than it looks. Oh look, there's some deer coming across the swamp right now. You probably can't see this, but oh yeah, there's quite a few deer that want to come across that swamp. Oh my gosh, there's one with antlers still. This is the swamp that I wanted to scout. 3 deer across the road already right in front of me. And then there's quite a few in here still. This buck still has his antlers, I can't believe it. I don't have a tripod, so sorry, I can't hold this very still. I'm sure I'm gonna run across these deer again. I'm going to scout the swamp, but I'm gonna put this camera down so I can get some binoculars on these things. Now, this is what I want to explore this year. This This is a treacherous, thick beaver swamp. So I want to explore these edges and what this has to hold. Sweet, we're going to try to figure them out. It's all public land. It's got like a drainage on that side and a drainage on this side. Highway, big woods. I'm going to try to cross right here. I think I can do it, hopefully without falling in. First thing in the trip. It's definitely a little bit dicey. I get a wet foot right now, because that's gonna break through right there. Down there. I guess I'm just gonna go for it. There's nothing. Down there, over there. Oh yeah, baby. Got it. You. This is what we're dealing with, baby. Heavy trail with deer prints and hair. This is never a good sign. Man, it's thick. Things you don't typically see on April 12th. just saw a turkey cross the road, a little Jake. And then I'm looking up in this woods. Big old doe. There's one next to it too. It's pretty cool. Well, I hiked that whole swamp and went over on the other side a little bit to check my trail camera. I think I did like a little over 4 miles. I'm still interested to see the top of this land. There's parking at the very top, so I'm kind of driving around. Gonna go check it out. I might get out of the truck and take a hike. I don't know yet. It's about 11:30, so we'll see. But yeah, pretty sweet. Saw some cool stuff so far today.